Welcome back to another video, everybody. I'm going to show you how to find the shutter count of your Olympus OMD camera. Over on the back, you're going to want to find the menu button, and you're going to press and hold the menu button at the same time as switching your camera on. As soon as the LCD lights up, let go of the menu button and then press and release it again to bring the menu up. When you're in the menu, you're going to want to go down to the spanner icon and across to the LCD brightness, and then press the right arrow. From here you're going to press the info button and then the OK button. You'll now see the display change to this text. You're going to press the up, down, left, right, and the shutter release. Pressing up will get you page 1 of a secret menu. Pressing right will get you page 2. And pressing down will get you page 3. Over on page 2, which is the right arrow, you'll find this value at the top here, MS, which is mechanical shutter, 8,537 actuations. To get the camera back to the normal operation, all you need to do is power it off and back on again. Thanks very much for watching. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Goodbye.